Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another 60-second pack crack here on Fahrenheit TCG. And we have another Commander Legends draft booster pack here for you today. Starting off, we have a Blade Brand, Crimson Fleet Commodore, Sailor of Means, Soul's Might, Boarding Party, Skywhaler Shot, Fin-Clad Fugitives, Thorn of the Black Rose, Pilgrim's Eye, Cage of Hands, Entourage of Trest, Maelstrom Colossus, a Commander Sphere, a Coastline Marauders for the first uncommon, Armorcraft Judge, Guildless Commons, Niven Rawl's Disc, Tuya Bearclaw, Elena Kessick Trapper, and a foil Fire Diamond.